Welcome back, children. Hope you're all fine and safe. Children, uh, it is a new topic which we are going to read today. It is about the garbages which we throw out. Okay, uh, see if you collect the plastics and if you collect the garbages from your house. That's very simple. The waste from your house, if you collect it in a 20-liter bucket, just wait and see within how many days does it fill, and what is the how many members are there in your house. Okay, very simple. How long does it take to fill the bucket and how many members are there at home? These two you have to notice. Imagine from one house, for example, within 3 days, if a bucket gets filled and the members maybe five or six, imagine the whole city. Imagine the whole state, the whole country. So every day a mountain of garbages are thrown out. Okay, every day from every house, like if we just imagine, it will be just bigger than a mountain. Okay, throughout a country. Okay, and see, children, we have to make it a wise usage of the materials which we throw it from our house. Okay, see, one small story is given in your book. It is about a small boy by the name Nanu. Okay, and this boy is quite a mischievous boy, like many of you. Okay, he keeps tearing the paper and he do the paper boat, rocket, like that. He just keep playing with the paper. Even from the new books, you do that, right? As soon as we buy the book, what you do, the first work which you do is you tear the paper and you try, making the rocket and throwing it on your friend. Okay, the same thing given here. I've done it. Okay, yeah, and mummy was very annoyed. She was upset on seeing this. And one fine day, they went to the village. Okay, maybe like many of our native places, village, and we may be living in the city, right? So his native place is village. So mummy took him to the village, to his granny's place. Okay, in the granny's place, he had a cousin by the name Sham. That boy is a very good boy. Maybe he is a person who loves the nature, I think. So, like with all the waste from home, he prepared one item. He reused it and prepared an item which can be used. Okay, for example, by waste paper, he prepared a diary, or from the paper, I mean pencil shaving, he did a paper carving. Okay, but with pencil carving, he did a paper art. Like that, he was using every waste from his home. Okay, and in this juncture, this Nanu's birthday also was across. So he invited his friends and he went to the market to buy biscuit, toffees, and the cake or whatever it is. Okay, and in the shop, and a set of paper hat also. Okay, and on the way back, he was not able to carry his bag. You know why? Because it was a paper bag. Since it was a paper bag, he was not able to carry the things. Okay, in the shop he asked for plastic bag, they denied giving it. Okay, in many places now they are trying to reduce the pollution by giving the paper bag. Like if you go to Ooty and all, they'll never give you the paper bag now. They tie whatever it is in the paper bag, not the plastic bag. They avoid giving you the plastic bag. We cannot see because they tell save green, save plastic. Okay, so they do not give you plastic bag like that. In that village also, they have given him everything in a paper bag. Okay, somehow he managed to come home, and his friend, the friends gave him the gift, and he gave them the gifts. Like that, it went on, exchange of gifts went on, and one fine day after everything, he returned home. Okay, and after coming back home, there was a change in him. Okay, because in town we can find in every street the rag pickers. Okay, the waste will be collected by them. Okay, and they'll be sorting it out. Okay, they'll be sorting the paper separately, bottles separately, plastic things separately, metal things separately. Like that he was like they used to do, and he did not make a funny face looking at them. Okay, he just observed what those children were doing, because the lesson he learned from the villages are pollution free, smoke free, dirt free. But in city it is not the story, because even his grandmother, like she used the paper husk and everything and she made the basket. His cousin were using every ways to make the material, so he changed himself and he tried saving the nature. Is that clear, children? So before we throw any waste, we have to think twice whether we have to throw